Hello friends, welcome back to my channel Fast Learner. From today I am starting an interesting chapter, Unity in Diversity. India is a very diverse country in terms of population, language, festival, food habit, etc. So let's know about different states of India. Now my first state is Maharashtra. It's a very beautiful place. Maharashtra is located in the western coast of India. This is the third largest state of India. Mumbai is the capital of Maharashtra. Around 11.42 crore people live in Maharashtra. Marathi and Hindi are the main languages spoken in Maharashtra. Ganesh Chaturthi is a major festival in Maharashtra and there is many more festivals. Rice, fish curry are the staple food, but pav bhaji, bhel puri and many more foods are the special foods of Maharashtra. This is all for today. Thank you. Meet you in the next part.